today's video, I'm going to show you an app that can help you edit short videos that you take from an iPad. So if you're an administrator or an instructional coach and you want to make a video for your staff, if you're a teacher and you want to make a video for your students, or if you want to have your students make short videos, this is a quick and easy app to make pretty good quality videos that you can share with others. Okay, the app I'm going to use today is called Splice. So if you want to get this app, it's free. You'll need to go to the App Store and you'll need to type in S-P-L-I-C-E, Splice, search. Now, it's not showing up on here because it says iPad only. If you'll switch it to iPhone only, you'll see it here. It still works with iPad. So you can click download. You'll need to use an Apple ID and download it for yourself. Alright, so now we're going to open up Splice. Okay, to create a new project, you're going to click this plus sign up at the top right. And you're going to select from a video. So select from your camera roll, a video you've already done, and click add. It's going to default to come up to music. I would skip this. You can always add music later. And then you need to rename your project. And the rest of these defaults are pretty good. You can go back and change it later. So I'm going to click done. And now I'm ready to edit my video. Alright, so there's several features here. This is the main video editing screen. Alright, so you can press play and start to listen or watch your video. So we're going to open the app. You can click again to pause. Right, under here, here's the video. If you want to add audio or add things like that, there's an audio here. More on that later. Back to the video. If I click on the video, I can edit the video, I can duplicate it, or I can delete it. You also see these plus signs. If I want to click one of those, I can add a title or add another photo or another video. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the features that we can use to edit the video. So click on it, click Edit Video, and it brings up the editing screen. Alright, so down here, these are frames of the video, and it starts out with these scissors right here. These allow you to trim or cut off parts of the video at the beginning or at the end. If you want to do cut, you would cut out a middle section of a video. Alright, so on this video, there's a couple of seconds or 1 or 2 seconds that I want to trim from the beginning, so I'm going to do that now. So I noticed I didn't start talking till about 1 second, so what I'm going to do is click here, and I'm going to begin to drag here till about 0.9 seconds, and let's see how that works. Alright, so okay, say I like that. Right down here I'm going to click Apply Trim, and it's going to permanently trim that, and it'll take a few seconds, but once that's done, it'll trim the video. Okay, so I've trimmed everything I want to out of the video. There's a couple more features over here. You can change the look of the video. You can change the speed of the video, so talking really fast or talking really slow. Right here you can add text to your video, so you just click here, you add some sort of text, click Done. Now this text will stay for the whole duration of that clip, so you can change the color and the font here. Okay, and then you can actually drag and make this bigger or do different things with it to make the text be somewhere else. Alright, so this next feature is the Ken Burns Zoom. This just allows your video to zoom in. You can play around with that if you want. This last one is the volume. So if this particular clip is a lot louder than other clips, you can decrease the volume here. Or you can also click to have it fade in and fade out with the volume. Alright, so I have now made all the edits to the video portion that I want to. So I'm going to go back to the main screen, and I'd like to add a title to my video. So I'm going to click the plus sign here. I'm going to add a title. Okay, so here I'm going to type my title. And the same features here, you've got the same fonts and different colors, right? right here you have the duration of the title. So this one will last for 4.5 seconds. And the color of the background. So I can change the background color, and here's my title. Once you have this, you can also change the size or the direction of the title, just like you could with the text inside the video. So once you have it like you like it, click Done. And now your title is there, so if you click play, it will play through your title and transition to your video. Alright, if you see this little guy right here, if you click that, this is your transition. So it defaults to the crossfade transition, sort of blends down together. There's other options, fade to black, blur, so if I like one of these, I can click that, click back, and it changes the transition. So we're going to open the app. Alright, so you might want to add more than one video or pictures to your video. So once again, I click on this video and you have these plus signs. So say I want to add a photo after this. So I can go to my camera roll and I can choose a photo. Click add. And so now I have a photo. Now you see this transition here. Say I want it to be crossfade, just check that. Alright, and you have a photo. Okay, so now we have options to edit our photo. So we can edit the photo. Once again, we have similar choices. We can change the way the photo looks. We can change the duration. Say I want it to go for 6 seconds. I can add some text to the photo, and same rules apply. This one actually zooms. So this kind of does one of those effects where it starts from the back and zooms in. So we can have it zoom all the way up to the front. So it makes sort of this motion effect. Okay, so now let's look at adding some audio to our video. So if we click the audio button, we click these plus signs here, and we can add in some built-in audio music. So we have some different little sounds. You can test those out. Say you like this one, you can add it in, and up here you'll see a plus sign, and add a new got some music. Now I also have options to edit this audio that I just added, so I click that. Say I only want the music to last for about 5 seconds. I can do that, and I can have it fade in, fade out, or reduce the volume. Okay, so now as you can see, it's only lasting this amount of time. Now you can add voiceover as well. So you want to line this line up to where you want to start it. Say I want to start it with my picture, and you move your finger up like that, and you have the red circle. So you click the red circle, and you add your voiceover. Thank you for watching this video. Okay. Alright, so if we go back, and we want to play the video, right to the very end, we can see the voiceover. Thank you for watching this video. Alright, so let's say we're done with our video. We've got it how we like it. Alright, so if we go back, if we put this back arrow, this will go back to the projects. It automatically saves for you. So if I go to my project and I'm ready to save it to my iPad, I can click this button up here at the top, and it gives me some options. So I can send it to Google Drive, I can email it or try to email it. I haven't really got it to email directly from this, but you can save the file, and you've got size options here. Pick the size that you want, and it'll save it to your camera roll. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. You can contact me anytime at mcaldwell@mid-dell.net, and my extension is 1336. Thanks.